Check out this is 2010 Dodge Nitro. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome wheels, power steering, pass-through rear seat, intermittent wipers, power windows, engine immobilizer, and rear defrost. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.